In today's video, we are going to cover how to file Form 1099 BWIF in TurboTax. If you sold stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, or other investments during the tax year, this process is where you enter that sale information so TurboTax can include it in your return. Start by opening the Federal section, then scroll down to Investments and Savings. In that area, find the line for stocks, cryptocurrency, mutual funds, bonds, other, with Form 1099 BWIF and 1099 DAF listed, and select Start or Revisit. TurboTax will ask how you want to add your tax documents. Choose the option that matches what you have available. You can upload the form, snap a photo, import it from your financial institution, or type the information in yourself. After making that choice, select Continue. On the next screen, choose Stocks, Bonds, Mutual Funds with Forms 1099 BWIF, 3922, and 3921 listed in that category, then Continue. TurboTax may then ask you to choose your brokerage. Search for your financial institution if you want to import the form directly. If you are entering the form manually, select the option to enter it a different way. Next, enter the brokerage details that apply to your form. This includes the bank or brokerage name, and if you have them available, the account number and the payer identification number. Those last two fields may be optional, so only enter what is needed and continue. If TurboTax asks whether your 1099 BWIF sales include employee stock, answer based on the form you received and move forward. You will then choose how to enter the sales. You can enter each transaction one by one or enter sales totals instead. Use the method that matches the way you want to report the information from the form. When you reach the sales entry section, fill in the details from Form 1099 BWIF. Enter the sales section, the investment type, the description, the date acquired, the date sold, the proceeds, and the cost basis. If your form includes any additional boxes that apply, enter those details as well. Make sure the dates and amounts match the form before continuing. TurboTax may also ask about special situations tied to the sale. If any apply, such as sales expenses not included in proceeds, ordinary gain, or a holding period correction, select the appropriate option. If none apply, choose None of these apply. If TurboTax detects that a cost basis is missing or does not look correct, you will be given a chance to adjust it. At that point, choose whether to enter an adjustment or continue without making changes based on the information shown on your Form 1099 BWIF. Finally, review the investment sales you entered. Make any edits that are needed, add more sales if you have additional transactions, and then continue. TurboTax will use this information to prepare Form 8949 and Schedule D for your capital gains and losses. Your Form 1099 BWIF information is now entered in TurboTax and included in your tax return.